We will continue analysis, design, and detailing of structural model created in the previous video. I open the same drawing. Give beam load command. For select objects, select all by window. It will prompt for you want starred file yes or no. Type N and press enter to do analysis by NirtsCAD. Now all slab and wall loads are transferred to beams. You can make wall, slab, wall layers off. Now run Analyse command. The structure is analyzed for dead and live loads, and you will see magenta color joints at every endpoint on the beams and column. In previous examples for point load transfer, we select point load joints and supporting beams separately. Now this procedure is simplified. Just give PTLOAD command. This will transfer all point loads to main beams automatically. You will see the magenta color joints at point load transfer points disappear as an indication. To do analysis with point loads, give J-erase command. This will erase all magenta color joints. Give Analyze command and select all. Now the structure is analyzed again with point loads applied. You will see magenta color joints at all joints again. To do wind load analysis, select WINDANA from menu. For select objects, select all by window and press enter. Prompt for wind load intensity will appear. Give 0.63 and for direction X or Y give X and press enter. Wind load analysis along X direction is completed. For Y direction analysis, repeat WINDANA command and select all by window and wind load as 0.63 and direction as Y and press enter. Wind load analysis along Y direction is completed. To do seismic analysis, select EQANA from menu. For select objects, select all by window and press enter. For zone factor give 0.16, for live load factor give 0.5, for soil type give 1, for direction give X and press enter. Seismic analysis along X direction is completed. For Y direction analysis, repeat EQANA command and select all by window and zone factor 0.16, live load factor 0.5, for soil type 1, for direction as Y and press enter. Seismic analysis along Y direction is completed. Now give command design beams from menu or beams command. You will see elevation filter edit lower Z as 0 and upper Z as 35. For select objects, select all by window and press enter. In beam design parameters, I change minimum diameter of rods as 16 and keep others as it is. Then click Design Beams button. All the beams are designed. Now give command design columns from menu or COLUMNDES command. For select objects, select all by window. In column design parameters, I change clear cover as 25 and diameter of minimum rods as 16 and keep others as it is. Then click Design Columns button. All columns are designed. Now give command design footings from menu or FOOTDES command. For select objects, select all by window. In footing design parameters, give safe bearing capacity as 200, type of footing as isolated square, clear cover as 40, minimum diameter of rods as 10 and keep others as it is. Then click Design Footings button. All footings are designed and marked as yellow color squares around the columns. Now design part is completed. For detailing, we will do detailing of footings. Go to top view by viewport command. From menu, select FOOTDET and press enter. For select objects, select all by window and press enter. Specify the point to place table of footings grouped. The tables of footings are placed with dimensions length, width, top width, total depth, edge depth, and reinforcement details along both directions. Open new tab and in that open template.JSW drawing and using D-copy select the typical footing drawing by window and base point as bottom left corner of the rectangle around the footing details. Switch the tab and use D-paste and specify the point of destination. You pasted typical footing drawing for reference with dimension as LX, LI, BX, BY, TD, ED and reinforcement details X and Y. Now select Detailing and COLDET. For select objects, select all by window and press enter. Specify the point to place table of column detailing. The column detailing will be drawn neatly grouped as C1, C2 order, and same details will be written in plan also with F1, F2 for footing and C1, C2 for column groups. Now make the layers COLDET, FOOTDET off. Before beam detailing, give GRIDLINE command from menu. For select objects, select all by window and press enter. For GRIDLINE option 1, press enter. You will see A, B, C in circles along X direction, 1, 2, 3 in circles along Y direction. This will help to read joints as A1, B1, A2, C3 by intersection of grid lines. Now give BEAM DET command from menu. Select beams along a single line only. In the elevation filter, you can give lower Z as 0 and upper Z as 6.6 to draw grade beams at 2.5 and floor beams at 6.5. Then specify point away from structural members. You will see beam detailing as per standard detailing. You can do similar detailing of simply supported beam sample, an interior frame along X direction and interior frame along Y direction as samples by following the same BEAM DET command as above and selecting beams along single line only. I draw detailing of beam A2D2 single secondary beam in level Z is 6.5. The draw detailing of frame A4J4 interior X direction frame, D1D10 interior Y direction frame. Apply zoom and pan command to see the detailing thoroughly. By default, beam detailing is drawn in beamed layer. Make the layer beamed off. Now we do the slab detailing. Make the layer slab on. Select SLABDET from menu. In elevation filter, edit layer as slabbed, lower Z as 0 and upper Z as 6.6. For select object, select all by window and press enter. You will see slab detailing with slab number in a circle and slab thickness in a rectangle along with reinforcement details. Make the layer joint, beam, column off. And make the layer 0 on. You will see slab detailing over center line sketch. Now we will make the plot into PDF file. Draw a rectangle in 0 layer around slab detailing. Give plot command or print PDF from menu. For option, give W for window. For paper size as 0, A1, A2, A3, A4 give A2. For orientation landscape portrait give L. For color BW black and white give BW. For minimum pen width give 0.25, for window selection with OSNAP, F3, on pick 2 opposite corners rectangle, then for scale give 0.1. Give file name as slab details and you can direct the location of download file into required folder. SLABDETAILS.pdf is printed in 1:100 scale in A2 size paper. Now open the PDF file and see the details. You can send this PDF file to the client for printing and field use. You can similarly take plot of beam details, column details, footing details, column and footing location drawing to required scale and 3D views into PDF plot files. Thank you.